your local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends, and happy Groundhog Day. Puxatawny Phil did indeed see his shadow this morning and is forecasting 6 more weeks of winter. Now, if you look at the percentages, more than 80% of the time, the woodchuck actually does see his shadow versus not see his shadow and forecast in early spring. Now, here's a look at the satellite and radar composite. It may have a couple of little sprinkles towards Bland and Wythe counties. I will tell you that the air is still very, very dry. So some of this might be reaching the ground and some of it may not be. Regardless, as the air moistens this evening, the rain will become more widespread, and we're looking at rain chances certainly in areas along and west of the Parkway as we head into mid to late evening. By midnight, it is going to be rainy in Hot Springs, Covington, Blacksburg, Wytheville, Hillsville, Independence, but maybe not so much yet in Lynchburg and Danville. That will change as we head, say, after about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So the rain starts to fill in tonight, and it's with us off and on as we head into Thursday. Now it's going to come in batches. I do think that the wettest part of Thursday will probably be the morning into the early afternoon, maybe a little bit of a break as we head, say, towards dinner time tomorrow. Only have the rain fill back in as we head late tomorrow night into the day on Friday. And Friday, it's going to be once again wetter in the morning than it will be, say, towards the afternoon. And if you're watching us in Highland County or perhaps towards Mountain Lake, come Friday morning, you may have a little bit of freezing rain and or sleet to contend with, but for the most part, this go around for us is mainly going to be rain, and the rain should start to exit closer to dinner time on Friday. As far as a flood risk is concerned Thursday into Friday, areas along and west of the Parkway will have the highest chance to see some localized flooding. Okay, that's where we have a low risk for some flooding. Again, the flood risk is relatively low, but the one caveat I will tell you is this. There's still some snowpack on the ground, and when you see the melting of the snowpack on top of fresh rain, that could make the soil a little more saturated. Now, as far as how much rain we see here, I would say anywhere from about a ½ an inch to 1.5 inches of rain with isolated higher totals possible, especially along the southern branch of the Blue Ridge. So if you're watching us in parts of Franklin, Floyd, Carroll, Patrick, and Grayson counties, you may see a little more rain than 1.5 inches before all is said and done. Then we turn our attention to the weekend, and snow lovers, you're not going to like what I'm going to say. It looks like a lot of this piece of energy now on Sunday looks to stay to the south and to the east of us. So while we may be clipped by this in areas east of the Parkway and maybe see a couple of snow showers, maybe a couple of sleet pellets, it looks like the vast majority of us aren't going to see much happening as we head into Sunday. Temperatures right now 44 in Blacksburg, 46 Roanoke, 50 Lynchburg, 52 in Danville. For tonight, rain arrives or not as cold. Overnight lows tonight in the 30s and lower 40s. For tomorrow, periods of rain, staying warm. Temperatures continue to go up even after the sun goes down tomorrow. Highs in the mountains, 40s and 50s. Outside the mountains, 50s to near 60. Temperatures then fall as we head into Friday afternoon. Saturday, we're near 40. Sunday, only a minimal chance for a couple of snow showers out east. Otherwise, maybe a little more sun in the mountains. And we look dry Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. But notice, after highs in the 50s Thursday and Friday, we drop 40 to about 45 this weekend into next week.